Hi, my name is Christian and I am a transformation therapist and also a coach for children. I took on board this media training today with Mirella and Andrea, and I've just learned so much. I was already a volunteer in a hospital radio show local to me, so I was really confident in speaking, along with the fact I've been a teacher in the past, so I've had to speak complex things to a variety of people. But it's quite something else to be in front of a camera, so I was quite nervous when I started, and now I'm so proud of what I've achieved today. And I just can't wait to find my first opportunity to go and apply for a job in a television show so that I can relate my message to the world. And that's about the key behind RTT, which is what I'm a therapist in, rapid transformational therapy, where we go to the root of the issues and transform them forever, allowing people to understand the rules of the mind and how to utilise them powerfully in their life. And I think that's a really important message to particularly teach children so that when they leave school, they've got the best tools for them for adult life. So thank you very much to Andrea and Mirella. It's been beautiful meeting you and all the people that were here, learning thousands of skills on communication, media, what we know about our own jobs as well, and being more focused and how we're going to move this forward. So thank you very much for a fabulous day.